For an example, this is interface and experience. For a form, we're going to go back to the Canva example. I feel like they have a great sign-up form. It collects only the absolute necessary information. There is some redundancy, which I'll show in a minute, but the form is short. It provides great feedback, and it uses a common pattern, the inset label pattern, that's really picked up, as far as I know, over the last year or so. So let's just take a look at the form. So we have the inset label pattern, so it shows the full name, but if I was to tab down to the next field, you'll notice how email animates to give the user, so that a user always knows where they are in the form, what information they're supposed to be filling out, without having to have these outset labels, the label to the left, the label to the above it, which allows for very clean forms, again, while still allowing the user to know where they are. So that animation, it just works well. And now I'm going to show an example of the inline form error. If I tab out of this field, it lets me know that something is needed. It's a friendly error. It is an error. It's, the error is indicated by the red, but it's friendly. It's asking me for what my email is, and so this is just a great example of getting feedback using the inset label pattern and collecting as little information as possible. I did mention that there's a little bit of redundancy. This form could be shorter if they didn't confirm the email. It may obviously result in some issues, but they have eliminated the confirm password field, which really cuts down on the form. I would maybe suggest getting rid of the confirm email field to make it just very easy for users.